In the name of Allah, hi everyone, today I want to show you in this video how to PowerPoint to JPG converter. Step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and press the bell icon. Alright, let's jump on the PC. Welcome Afghan Word Education YouTube channel.
Let's say you have a PowerPoint file and you want to PowerPoint to JPG converter. So to convert the PowerPoint to JPG, just click the link in the description. First open the site. This is the site which will help us PowerPoint to JPG converter. So click select file and then select the PDF which you want and click open. And here select the JPG format. And here click convert. And here a few second wait PowerPoint to JPG converter. As you can see automatic download. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it. And here you can see we have get the JPG file. This is how to PowerPoint to JPG converter. It's a very easy way. Catch you next video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.